This is demonstration number 15, part 2, from the aviation textbook, Advanced Airmanship, Book 1, Precision Flying. Using the flight deck view, it examines an alternate technique for high-performance level-offs. Although similar to the previous precision level-off, this alternate method uses an earlier altitude lead, followed by altitude capture at a reduced vertical speed. It lessens the danger of altitude overshoot when leveling off from steep climb and descent angles. We are now approaching our target altitude at 210 knots. The flying speed has now been reduced to show details. Using an early lead, we rotate to the zero rate pitch attitude. Which in this case is 3.4 degrees. Notice that the vertical speed approaches zero prior to reaching a target altitude of 7,000 feet. But maintaining the zero rate pitch attitude, as the airspeed increases, the vertical speed will now increase, approaching our target altitude at a much reduced vertical speed. It is therefore much easier to capture the altitude precisely. After altitude capture, we must coordinate a pitch change with airspeed change in order to maintain the altitude constant. As we approach our target airspeed of 250 knots, we'll adjust the EPR setting to a value that will maintain the airspeed constant. Next, we will be in a descent approaching 7,000 feet. Our initial speed is 240 knots. Pitch attitude is 0.4 degrees. And again, using an early altitude lead, we will rotate to the zero rate pitch attitude. This slow motion flying speed shows the details. We're now rotating to our zero rate pitch attitude, and notice the vertical speed goes to zero prior to reaching 7,000 feet. But as the airspeed continues to slow, the vertical speed now increases toward 7,000 feet. The desired altitude is then easily captured. After capture, an increase in pitch attitude is necessary to coordinate with decreasing airspeed to maintain the altitude constant. and prior to reaching our target airspeed of 210 knots, we'll set the EPR value that will maintain it constant.